I've just got some fuel and I'm heading up to Norcia, but before we get to Norcia, I'm going to stop off at the Bindu Bakery and get some really nice yummy food. But when we finally get to Norcia, we're going to do some photo shoots with the old buildings around the monastery, and so stay tuned and we'll check that out, and I'll show you how we get those photos. Yeah, we just arrived here at the Bindu Bakehouse, and they do some yummy pastries and some cakes and some really nice coffee, and even the police have stopped by to get some beautiful cakes and wares from the Bindu Bakehouse. Now I'm going to pop in and just get myself a bite to eat. Well, yeah, look, I've got myself an apple turnover here. I've got myself a vegetable pasty with some tomato sauce. That's going to be really nice, and I've got a coffee coming. So I'm just going to enjoy myself, and I'll see you back on the road. Here I am at Norcia, and I'm outside one of the old schools. I think it's the actual boys' school, and I've just got my car parked in front, as you can see here. And what I've got is I've got an ND filter on, and I've got a polarizer filter on as well, so I'm going to have a bit of a play around with that. At the moment I've got ISO 200, but we'll change that down to 100, so let me just fix that up. Okay, so put that on 100, and I'll just raise the speed up to about 125. Okay, so I've got that. Okay, let's get out of that. So I've changed it. So what I've got is actually on my specs is 1/125, f2.2, and 100 OSI. So let's see how that turns out. And I'm using my 35mm lens, my RF lens, and let's grab that and see what happens. Well, on that it's a bit overexposed, so I need to go up with the ISO. So let me just fix that. Let's go up to about 400. Okay, put that on 400 because that didn't work. Okay, so let's do this here. Okay, so I've got some photos there. Let's just have a look at them. So it should be good. It's pretty bright and sunny, which is not the ideal conditions to be taking photos, but that's just the way it works because I left late from home. I was waiting for the batteries to charge up for my drone. So yeah, actually let's look at the parrots. There's the parrots flying, the cockatoos, white cockatoos. They actually are worth a lot of money overseas. So actually people try to take them out of the country, but it's illegal. Anyway, just a bit of a side note. Let's get back to the photography. Okay, so okay, that's filling the frame. So, okay, let's just have a quick look at them on the back. Put my glasses on because I'm blind as a bat, and let's just have a look. Yeah, they look okay. Just check that oh, hang on a sec, I haven't got my exposure, so let's just do that again. Just take those photos again, and yeah, okay, so do that, get rid of the menu. Okay, Well, here I am outside the hotel. Unfortunately, the hotel isn't open now. I think they had problems with staffing it, so you can't get meals and lunches here anymore, which is a bit unfortunate. And if you do this, you can bring up that histogram there. So if we go to 2 and we go edit, and then we select the Instagram and we go okay, and then we go menu, and then we go out. Okay, now we can see that there's that Instagram. So when we put that up on the car, now if you can see that there, guys, let me just adjust the GoPro so hopefully we can get like a bit more of a better shot of that. So hopefully you can pick that up on the GoPro. So as we see there, you can see if I shut that down, you see how the histogram is moving? And if I open it up, right now, if I actually go and then try and make the exposure higher, you can see how the histogram going to the right hand side, to this side of the graph, and that's what you don't want. You see that's overexposed because you're clipping, and then you just wind it back till you can see that there's nothing being clipped in the histogram. So that means that your brightest parts are not overexposed, so you're actually getting detail in your photograph. Okay guys, well that's my photo there, and hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to have a few cold drinks, and once I've had my cold drinks I'm going to be heading back to Perth. So I'd like to say thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the information on how I capture my Lotus. Cheers.